Full panel here with me now. Lance Trover, former spokesperson for Doug Burgum's presidential campaign. Laurie Watkins is a former policy advisor to President Obama. Back with me again from the beginning of the show, Scott Bolden, NewsNation political contributor. Bill McGinley, former cabinet secretary in the first Trump administration. Hello to you all.
Because of the Republican refusal to extend the Affordable Care Act tax credits, tens of millions of Americans are receiving notices right now that their health care premiums are about to skyrocket.
Well, I was going to point to an Ipsos Reuters poll that came out earlier this week, and 50% of Republicans are to blame for the shutdown versus 43% of Democrats. And the bigger number that I want to focus on is ACA support. 72% of Americans support extending the ACA tax credits. 60% are willing to keep the government closed until a deal is reached.
But is that 50-43 big enough to be like, that's the thing?
But the thing is, Blake, that the longer that this goes on and it's about health care, and people are getting their bills in the mail. I have already received a notice that I'm going to increase by 4 times what I'm already paying as a small business owner, okay? People are receiving these. The longer this goes on, the more letters that are going to go out. Okay. And that polling number that those poll numbers that I just indicated, they're going to keep going in the favor of the Democrats.